you want free Wi-Fi wherever you go. No data, no stress. This one app makes it super easy. First, let's install the app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Wi-Fi Map. Click on the Install button. Bam! It's done installing. Now, open Wi-Fi Map and allow location access. This helps the app show you Wi-Fi hotspots near you. Alright, while this simple configuration is done, it's now time to find free Wi-Fi. To find free Wi-Fi that are close to you, zoom the map into your city or area. You'll see a bunch of Wi-Fi spots marked on the map. You can also enter your location address, and Wi-Fi Map will locate free Wi-Fi hotspots in that area for you. Tap any one. It shows you the network name, password, and sometimes speed. You will always have enough hotspots, so find one with strong signal that you can connect to. Remember, these are public Wi-Fi networks, and we got to secure it to prevent any possible attacks. So, before connecting to any available Wi-Fi, open a VPN like Proton VPN to encrypt your connection. Wi-Fi Map even recommends safe VPNs inside the app, so you could just choose any and connect to. Now time to connect and browse the internet for free. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, select the network, enter the password from Wi-Fi Map, and boom, you're online without using your data. Let me know in the comments where you're using this from. Like, subscribe to Paw Tech Tips for more tech tips, and share this with someone who's always asking for hotspot. Stay safe, and goodbye.